What you doing?
I don't know. Oh, One Ride.
Oh, yeah, we need to do that video, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. When is it?
September 21st.
Meet here, Wood Cycle Country. We're gonna have coffee, donuts, and what we're doing is we're doing the Royal Enfield One Ride. But it doesn't matter, you can ride whatever you want. You can ride a Kawasaki, Yamaha, Suzuki. You can even ride an Indian. And we're riding to Houston.
Houston, huh?
Yeah.
That seems a little far. Shouldn't we do a closer route?
Okay, what about Devil's Backbone?
That's a good ride.
Right?
Yeah, that's a good ride.
They've got live music from 1 to 4. Okay, something like that would be cool.
So come out, ride with us. You can ride whatever you want. It's gonna be a good time. It's about 140 miles out to Devil's Backbone Tavern. We're gonna hang out there from 1 to 4, but you can leave whenever you want. It should be a beautiful ride, and we hope to see you there.
Wouldn't it make more sense for you to ride in the beginner group since you just got a bike?
No, I'm a lot faster than you are.
Yeah, it's what they usually say.